Millions of people make tea every day. I also make tea every day because I'm a tea lover. But what if I told you this daily habit could also improve your English? Yes, you heard it right. Actually, for learning English, you don't need any English classes, you don't need any expensive courses. All you need is only 1 cup of tea. Oh, I'm just kidding. I mean, 1 cup of tea and the habit of speaking in English. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you doing well. I'm also very good, guys. So today I'm going to make a cup of tea. Yes, today I'm going to make a cup of tea, and I'll describe everything. I'll describe every step in English. So you can also speak with me, and don't worry about that pronunciation and grammar mistake, because everything is okay if you are a beginner, right? So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing I do, I take a saucepan. So this is called saucepan, and then I pour some water. I pour some water into it. Look. And then what I do next, I turn on the gas stove and I place the saucepan on the gas stove. Okay, now we will wait for some time. Till then the water is heat up. Okay, so you can see now the water is starting heat up. So now I'm gonna add some tea, because yeah, it's very must for tea. I'm gonna add some tea into it, and then we will wait for some time to heat up again. The color of water is almost changing, so now here's the point, we will add some milk. Yes, so I'm just making tea for myself, so I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of, okay. We will add ginger and cardamom, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. Okay, well, we stir it well. So till then our tea is boiling, then we can talk maybe another thing. So now there is one thing I just want to share with you. Instead of translating everything in your mind, you can ask some question. You can ask some question yourself to train your brain to think in English, right? I'll tell you how you can ask yourself question. Okay, so the first question is, what I'm doing? What I'm doing? So you can give answer yourself, right? I'm making tea. The next question is, what I add first in the tea? What did I add first in the tea? I added first water. I added first water. What's happening right now? Right now the tea is boiling. What will I do next? What will I do next? I strain the tea and pour into a cup. I strain the tea and pour into a cup. Right? So these are the questions you can ask yourself, and you can train your brain to think in English. Right? So the next thing is that just take a challenge yourself. Like for the next 1 minute, don't speak in Hindi. For the next 1 minute, don't speak in Hindi and try to describe everything in English. Try to describe everything in English. Wait, I'll show you how. My tea is boiling, so I'm gonna strain it and pour into a cup. Then we will talk. Okay. So now you can see I have a strainer. This is called strainer. So look. So here my tea is ready. Okay. So here you can see this is my tea, and the tea is too hot. I'm waiting for the tea to cool down. I'm waiting for the tea to cool down. And you know what? This is my favorite mug. I'm a tea lover. Every day I make tea for myself. Every day I make tea for myself, and I enjoyed my company with having tea. Okay, so see how am I describing everything in English? So you can also describe. Okay, so just take your time, Take your time, it means don't hurry. Don't hurry. I mean, you know, learning English takes time. So learning English takes time. So you don't need to hurry. You don't need to hurry. Just take a single step. Just take a single step and go ahead every day. Right? Because you cannot become fluent in English in one day. Every day, if you will put little efforts, then every single day you will improve, and you didn't even realized. Okay, so there is a next phrase as well. Easy as pie. I mean, very easy. Very easy. So learning English is very easy, but the thing is that what you have to do, you have to just learn how to enjoy the process and try to enjoy every process in every minute. Okay guys, so this was for today, and I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.